Hi, very good morning. Today I'll have a one short case, which is we call interesting case. So we'll be showing you one ECG. Your time starts now. Look at this ECG. Don't go to the next slide and try to come to the diagnosis. I'll go to the next slide, but you have a pause. Take your time. Take 5 minutes. Try to make the diagnosis. But I don't want to lengthen the timing in this video. So I'm going to the next slide. This person was 45-year male, came with a chest pain, shortness of breath since 1 hour, and this was the ECG. What is there in the ECG? Try to have a look at that. I am going to the second slide, but you take some time before you go to the second slide. Yes, what does this shows in this slide? There is something abnormal in these two legs. There is also something abnormal here. Take time again, try to identify if you can, and then you will come to the nearmost diagnosis. I am going to the third slide. Yes, this is showing you left bundle branch block pattern. If you see in lead 1, AVL, V5, V6, RS, R dash pattern. R is taller than second R. Is it clear? And there is a negative wave here. Now if you look at the other part, this 3 arrow. So if you look here, there is a notch. This particular is one of the finding which you can come across is called as a Cabrera sign. Cabrera sign. This is in a case of in presence of left bundle branch block. If you get a notch on the upslope of S wave in lead V3 and V4, V2 to V4, it is in favor of myocardial infarction. And if the person is having already chest pain, it is in one of the finding which is in favor. But the sensitivity is very poor. But still, this is one of the finding. If you get once in a while this, you can pick up this. This is normal Segorbaza criteria, which is we call concomitant ST segment elevation. This is usually in V5, V6. If it is elevated by 1 millimeter, we give 5 points. If you get ST depression in V1, V2, V3, 3 points. If there is an ST elevation, there is a deep S wave and there is an ST elevation more than 5 small square, we give 2 points. More than 3 points in favor already. They say that even more than 2 points is in favor of presence of ischemic heart disease in presence of LBBB. Now there is something called as a modified Segorba's C rule, that if you come across RS dash pattern and there is an ST depression which is more, and if you take the ratio of R wave to S wave, this is called S wave to R wave, sorry, S wave to R wave, and if you take the ratio and if it is less, then it is in favor of what we call a Segorba's C rule. Similar way, if you take, this is in V1, V2, this is in V5, V6. So if you come across ST elevation, say this is ST elevation 3.2 and this is an S wave, you can see the amplitude of an S wave, it is 10, so this is 0.32. So if it is less, it is in favor of modified Segorba's criteria. This was original Segorba's criteria we have already done before. So concomitant ST segment elevation with a positive QRS complex, this will be in V5, V6. Concomitant ST depression in V1, V2, V3 more than 1 millimeter. This is 5 points. If you get this, this is 3 points. Excessive discordant ST segment elevation more than 5 millimeter in lead, what we call as V1, V2, V3, this ST elevation, that is 2 points. Same thing is shown here. This is same shown here. You can go through, and this is modified Segurba's criteria. That is lead 1, what we call as more than 1 millimeter lead 1 elevation in concordant ST segment elevation, or more than or equal to in V1, V2, V3, any one of these leads with 1 millimeter of concordant ST depression, or more than equal to lead 1 lead anywhere with 1 millimeter ST elevation and proportionately excessively discordant ST segment elevation. But this particular has to be more than or equal to 25% of the depth of preceding S wave. So if you get this particular, then you can call that this is in favor of, but the sensitivity is very less. So base thing is, again, if there is a new LBBB, it is in favor of STEMI. If there was an old LBBB and there is a presence of troponin positive, there is unstable hemodynamics, you go through the Segurba's criteria, they are positive, and on echo you get a regional wall motion abnormality abnormal, and there is an associated with an reduced ejection fraction. This should be taken as more confirmative than modified criteria. I end here.